Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I would like to show to you how the way we add music on a CapCut application by iOS or iPhone. So the first thing you have to do, open your CapCut application, and after that, after you already got the project, you just need to go click this add audio. In this add audio, you just need to go into the sounds. If you already have a music on your device, you just need to go here and you just need to go click from files, and you can click import from files, and you just need to find out which files that you want to add into the CapCut. But if you have no sounds, you just need to go click in the search button and just type what musics that you want to have. For example, you want a music that's so calming, so you can just go click a instrumental. Whenever you're done, you just need to go click go search, and the CapCut will bring you into a lot of instrumental musics, and you just need to find one. And after you find it, you just need to go click this plus button, and don't forget to adjusting the length of the musics so that the music will have the same length with the clip. So you just need to bring these straight lines in the end of the clip of the video, and after that you just need to go click the music part and go click split and delete for the rest. And now you already have the video with the musics. So that's the way how to add music on CapCut, guys. If you find that today's tutorial is useful for you, don't ever forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel.